Up next will be Sports Centre, and I'm sure they will be reflecting on developments here. Dempsey, the USA will be maybe look to get the ball in towards the corners if they can. Now Dempsey's fouled, and it's a yellow card to be delivered there for Giancarlo. Do you think there are going to be reindeer outside in the car park?
I don't know.
You've got to get home somehow. There's going to be 5 minutes of stoppage time, by the way. It really has been against all odds, in a way.
That builds character.
Yes, exactly.
You know, with adversity, I'm a believer that adversity reveals character. And with everything that's going on in the last 10 days, with articles on the internet, on anonymous quotes, whatever that is, the fact is the players responded tonight, and if they get 3 points, that builds character. That locker room becomes stronger now, much stronger.
Look at that, Jeff.
It's a team effort.
Playing the role of auxiliary snow clearer. Now we've seen it all. Quite bizarre. Don't forget there's 5 minutes of added time.